Hey everyone, it's Munchie Munchkin. Welcome to another episode of Munching Blindly. Still Halloween month, so I don't know when the videos are coming out, so screw it. So I have a lot of mishmash of things over here. So I kind of just put everything together in one video. So I tend to like to do like kind of like a series, but these didn't really fit anything else I had, so here we go. So the first one I have is the Kisses Pumpkin Spice. Then there's again Fudge Stripes Pumpkin Spice. I guess there's a couple things that kind of make sense together. Milky Way caramel apples, which I'm kind of interested in these because I grew up eating a lot of Milky Ways when I was young. It was probably one of my favorite candies. And then Kit Kat pumpkin pie. So there's those. And I have another Jones drink. It's the lemon drop dead soda. So I'm hoping this one's a little bit better than the orange one, the blood orange. But I'm gonna drink this last, like I did last time, and drink the Dr. Pepper during the candy taste test. So I'm gonna open this first. Got my cap. Yay. Okay. What do I want to try first? I'm probably going to save this one for last. And there's a reason for this one being last. I guess I'll go with the Kisses first. I'm probably going to cut these open again. So I just cut a little corner. So I don't have to open up the whole bag. Makes it easier. Hopefully I cut it open wide enough for these. I'll take 3 out. That way I have a decent amount of... Well, that was stupid of me. Well, luckily I have clips for these now. Okay. So they're pretty, like a pretty dull orangey color. See? Orangey dull. It's kind of melty. Very melty. Pumpkin spice is pretty strong in it. So far not horribly strong. If you don't really like super sweet, you might not like them. They kind of have the same problem as the carrot cake ones from Easter, which are kind of sweet. I mean, the first one might be fine, and then the second and third one, it starts just getting worse with the sweet, and then just the consistency that they're made out of. I mean, I don't know if they got melty from how hot the house has gotten. I don't think it's really gotten that hot in some areas of the house where they were at, but they kind of just melt in your mouth, which isn't bad per se, but it doesn't have the same texture as regular Kisses to me. So they're not bad taste wise. It's too sweet after a while. Okay, next one is the caramel apples. And I did it again, dumbass. Okay, 3 of these, possibly. Let's do that here. Okay. So teeny little squares. You guys see the inside of it. Make it a little bit better for you guys to see. Pardon me. But, kind of a nougat center in it with the caramel. Not bad. But I don't know if it tastes apple per se. I was kind of expecting them to have, more of a taste like, somewhat like Apple Jacks, but it doesn't taste like that. The apple's not strong in it. And I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like. Okay, I thought I dropped caramel on me, but I guess I didn't. The texture kind of has, kind of like a gummy feel to it. I mean, I guess nougat kind of. Yeah, nougat. Kind of has a gummy feel, but I don't think it's to this consistency. Again, not bad, but I was expecting the apple to taste stronger than it is. Let me get some of that stuff out of my mouth. Stop fizzing. Okay. Next, I should probably be careful where I cut off the expiration date. Okay, I was hoping to get a solid cookie. There we go. So here's the fudge stripes. Not bad, actually. So far these are probably the best ones out of this so far, because I still have the Kit Kats to eat. It's a nice consistency. It has a nice crunch to it, which I expect from the fudge rounds, or fudge stripes, not fudge rounds. At first when I bit into it, I thought it was gonna have a, gingerbready taste. Or, well, gingerbread, graham crackers, something like that. But it has a decent spice to it. Not hot spice, but pumpkin spice. And the fries is not too much. It tastes like the frosting is probably a cream cheese. It fits. I'll probably eat more of these in a minute. I probably go on to the Kit Kats for now. If my stomach wasn't sensitive right now, I'll probably dunk these in milk and see how they taste. But I'm not going to attempt that right now. So, the Kit Kats. Now, I'm kind of scared of like the Kit Kats. I think these are the ones that are done by, yeah, Hershey. Well, they're distributed by, but are they made by Hershey? They're probably made by Hershey. So, oh. Okay, got one that doesn't feel so melty. I'm guessing until this room gets a little cooler, because it's starting to get pretty hot lately. I need to start putting some of the stuff in the refrigerator for a bit to get them solidified again. So, again, same dull color as the Kisses. And these are supposed to taste like pumpkin pie. Break you off. I don't care for them. It's off the bag so it doesn't melt. It has the same problems as the Kisses. It's pretty much the same stuff. Well, the wafer might too. Alright, it doesn't say if the wafer is. But I think the wafer is a different. It's different than the normal Kit Kats. I think it's has a nutmeggy cinnamon taste to it. Yeah, don't care for the Kit Kats. I definitely highly recommend, if you ever get any of the flavor Kit Kats, get the international ones. They're so much better. I don't know why Hershey can't just pull it off like Nestle can, but yeah. Sorry, Hershey. As much as I like your regular chocolate, I don't like your flavored ones. Okay. Might eat a couple more cookies to get rid of that taste. And now I'll get to the drink. Jammer person said Hershey makes the best bleeping caramels, though. I can't disagree on that. They do make good caramel. Which I don't know why, but their flavored chocolate's not the greatest. Shut up, cameraman. I don't know. Cameraman's like, you curse all the time now. You stop. This ain't family show. That's what you said. Ain't the word. And technically, yes it is. I don't care. The only thing I have to say about the flavored chocolates by Hershey, I don't know why they get too creamy to the point that it bothers my stomach. Alright. Let's drink this now. I hope this is better than the last one. I'm gonna take a swig of Dr. Pepper once I'm finished eating the cookie. Okay, if you're constantly wondering what I'm looking at, we have a dual screen system so I can actually see myself and where I'm pointing stuff up at the camera. I felt like I was doing the Thriller one-handed at one point. Cameraman said we're like a real show now. It's easier. I like this a little bit better. Wrong too. He says I get too easily distracted now. Meh. Okay. Drinking. I'm not happy. I shall drink my sorrows away. Part of me was expecting it to taste like melted lemon heads in popcorn. And it's not. It is really, really weak. Jones, why? I mean, pretty much it tastes like, and for the most part, it just tastes like a lemonade. I mean, yes, it's lemon, but I don't know. Lemon soda to me should taste different than lemonade. I don't know, when I think of like it says Horrific Jones on it. Horrific Jones. I don't think, there we go. You might be able to see it. I think when somebody says it's horrific, it should cause like tears in your eyes because it's so sour. Like a lemon head. Those lemon heads aren't that sour. I'm weak, so I don't like sour candy. If I never talk about Cameraman again, you'll find out it's because of this episode. Because of what he's typing on the screen. You can take your guesses. You can make your guesses in the comments below to see what You don't win anything if you're right. You're probably not going to be right. I don't think anyone can think of what he thinks. Like, does that make sense what I just said? Yes, sentences. I can word. Sentences, yo. I hate you. I'm gonna finish this off, but at least the most of the way. Because the horribleness that was in here is starting to bother my stomach. I guess I should at least rate the candy right now. While I'm taking a break from drinking that. Oh my god, what do I not like? What do I like? I think you guys all know who the clear winner is out of this. Me. No. No, it's cookies. The cookies win. Definitely. I like Fudge Stripes. I grew up on them a lot. Was one of the cookies that my grandmother always would have. But you usually never try the special flavor stuff of them. Because she never bought them. I think it's more a recent thing. I think. But anyways. Yeah, so these win. I'll probably be munching on these quite a lot. I just have to be careful. Because I know the frosting will get to me eventually. But it might take 5-10 cookies until it does. So yay. Frosting doesn't bother me. I think. The ones that, well, I already know we all know this is probably the bottom of the barrel. The kisses. The kisses are at the bottom. So, yeah. Sorry, kisses. They're just too creamy. Too sweet. Even though the kisses and the Kit Kats are the same frosting, I think what helped the Kit Kats a little bit is the waffle, not the waffle, the crisp wafers. I'll get that. Which I do think have a bit of a flavor to them. I don't think it's just the frosting on the Kit Kats. So that's number 3. Then there's the Milky Ways. I did say that the apple's not strong in it, but they're not too horrible for what they are. I mean, they don't taste bad. It's just they don't taste like how I think they should taste. I expected more of an apple-y flavor. I like saying ease, apparently. But yeah, this is number 3. No, number 2. I mean, some of these I really hope to like. But I didn't. Well, except for this. So let me drink a little bit more of. Well, I'm not gonna put that in that. Get those on my way. I'm gonna drink a little bit more of my pop, and then I can rate the pop. And I'm still trying to figure this out. Yeah, I think I'm done with that one. Okay. Oh, that's good enough. So my verdict on the drink. Sorry, Jones. I'm probably gonna rate this a 2 out of 10. It was not very lemony. I mean, you could taste the lemon in it, but technically, you're gonna get a stronger flavor in a lemonade than in this. And I really wanted to like this. I was really hoping it was gonna be like melted lemonheads. I mean, again, when I think of Halloween, I mean, a lot of this kind of food items, especially the drinks, I think they should be more trick than treat sometimes. And I was hoping the Jones would be like that. Probably. Cameraman said, could probably get more lemony flavor out of Lemon Pledge. You died, but still more. The flavor? The flavor. Okay, I'm loving this setup now. I get to make fun of Cameraman even more. And he gets to make fun of me too, so that all works out. Fuck you too. Oh, now it's a family show. Oh, la-di-da, it's a family show now. Fuck. Shit, crap. What other words can we say? Fucking we'll do it live. Oh, Jesus. What's that from? Oh, okay. Stop drinking. Yeah, I think I'm done. I mean, I drank most of it. Look. See if I can get this shot in camera. Look at it. It's like almost like a slightly tinted yellowish water. That's how much lemon is in it. I mean, and even at the top, it wasn't even more yellow. It's like sometimes you get pops that'll like get a little diluted at the bottom, but it was like pretty much like that the whole time. I mean, my honey lemon drinks are a little bit more yellow than that, but they have more flavor to them. This made me angry. Well, maybe not as angry. Well, I don't know. Maybe was I that angry with the blood orange? No, I'm probably more angry with this one. I mean, the blood orange I rated pretty high. But yeah, definitely a 2 out of 10. I'm sorry, Jones. I typically like your stuff, but I didn't like your Halloween stuff this year. Nothing says Halloween like rage. Rage. Okay. I think we had enough fun in this episode. So, we did fix the lights a little bit. Hopefully this is a little bit better than the last time. I think it's a touch better. Might need to hang down a little bit more over here, but other than that. So, I hope you guys liked today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this setup is a little bit better. Maybe I won't get as distracted next time with the cameraman. I mean, this was a new setup, so we're kind of testing it out, and we kind of had a little bit more fun with it than we should have, probably. Shop. So, hope I get to see you guys soon, with another Halloween special. I'm hoping Breads will be next. The Thomas trio, technically. bread, swirl bread, bagel, and English muffin. And then I had little bites, little muffins. So I might eat those with Thomas. I'm not sure. Oh, and the Grand's cinnamon rolls. No, were there cinnamon rolls? They were either rolls or biscuits. I'm kind of leaning towards the cinnamon roll, but they were supposed to be pumpkin spice flavor too. So we'll get to try those too. I don't know if those are all 5 of those are going to be in the same episode or not. I might condense them into one episode so we can get all the Halloween stuff done at once. Because until the Halloween stuff is done, there's probably not going to be a munch with Munchkin. So I can get all the Halloween stuff out. Hopefully before Halloween. End of this month, so yay. Oh, and also, can't remind me. Also, the horror drinks. They're, I never remember the brand. Oh, Totally Gross sodas. Have a couple of those, to try it out. There's some new flavors that they came out with, or ones I've never seen before that I want to try. Oh, you want to add that one in too? Okay, yeah. He says it's technically horror drink. Pickle drink. Pickle soda. Pickle pop. I don't know. It's pickle soda pop. Did I? Oh, he told me I talked about it before. I don't remember because I've been busy with school. Anyways, need to stop. So, I hope to see you guys soon. Hope you enjoyed today's videos. Give us feedback at the bottom in the comments section. So we know what we're doing right and wrong. If I'm annoying, let me know. If you like how I was before, let me know. If you hate my hair, I don't give a crap. It's getting dyed soon. It's kind of fading out. So, dyeing it next month. No, it doesn't matter what your opinion is. I think you're an asshole, so shut it. Aww. I hurt Cameron's feelings, but he called me annoying, so I hurt him back. Anyways, we're too hyper now. So I will say byes, and I hope I see you guys soon. Bye, byes.
Guys. Yeah.
Thanks for watching me try this mixed bag of fall items. We had a little bit of everything today. Some good, some that were way too creamy, and one that was just so bad. Looking at you, Lemon Drop Soda. I was so looking forward to it. What a letdown. If you haven't clicked that thumbs up yet or left me a comment, please do so. It means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time for another fall Munching Blindly.
Bye, guys.